Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to embed message on Discord. First of all, go to your server, click on your server name, click on server settings, and now click on integrations. And first of all, we have to create a webhook to make embed message. So click on create webhook and edit the webhook here. Right here the webhook name, select a channel. You can upload a photo for the webhook and click on save changes. And now copy the webhook URL and then open discohook.org website. Once you're here, click on clear all. Clear all. Now in this webhook URL box, paste your webhook URL, and here we can see the preview. Now in this content box, you can write your content. Click on profile, and here you can write a username. And in this avatar URL box, you can add a avatar link. Here's how to upload a avatar. Go to your server, click on upload a file, and now from your computer, upload your avatar. Once the photo uploaded, click on your image, right click on your image, click on copy image address. Now go back to Discohook. In this avatar URL box, paste your image URL, and here you will see your image has been uploaded as avatar. Now you can add a thread by clicking here, and now it's time to embed message. So click on add embed, click on embed, and click on author. Here you can write your author name. You can add author URL, author icon URL. So in this icon URL box, I'm adding this icon, and go to body section. Here write a title, in this description box, all you have to need, write your message, and here you can add a URL, and click on this color box and select a color for your message embed. Click on fields, and here you can add field, and to upload an image, click on image, and now we have to upload the image in our server first. So go to your server again, click on upload, and all you have to need, upload the image first. Now click on your image, right click on it and copy image address, paste the image URL here, and as you can see, the image has been successfully inserted, and you can add a thumbnail URL here, and that's it. And here we can see the final preview of this embed message. So this is how we can do it. And now to send this embed message to your server, all you have to need, just click on send. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.